Hello, I'm Roms. Welcome to my new tutorial on how to build beautiful website via subdomain within a minute. So if you already bought your hosting, then you can easily build beautiful website. So what we will do, we will create a subdomain via cPanel. Install WordPress, install theme ASTRA, install plugin ELEMENTOR, edit and launch the website. So now we will go to our hosting and we will find this gear icon, going to cPanel. Then we will find the subdomain. We will create the subdomain. You can choose whatever your name of your demo website. I will name my subdomain as Demos Accommodation Davao. I will change the domain to wpdesignweb.com. So create. After that, we will install the WordPress. So this beautiful 3D template website is built in ASTRA. Already have about, program, success stories, blog and contact. So we already created our subdomain. We will go to our Subtacolos, install the WordPress. We will find our created subdomain while ago, demos, this. Then for now I will install HTTP. I will not install SSL for now. Then you can change your site name, site description. You can change your admin and password. Just type here admin, your password of your site. You can change your admin email. Then you can install the WordPress. After, we will go to the third, install theme ASTRA. So we already created our subdomain. You can go to the front end, or you can go to the dashboard of your site. So this is the front end, or you can go to the dashboard of your site. So this is your dashboard. First, you can clean the stuff on the dashboard so that it looks nice. Then we will install the theme ASTRA. Go to themes. So this is the picture or the look of dashboard. You can add posts, you can add your media, picture, photos, graphics, etc. And pages, comments, plugins, tools, and more. Add the theme ASTRA. You can type here ASTRA. Install. activate. Then go to this portion, this ASTRA option. Then we can install the plugin. Install importer plugin. Then you can choose your specific page builder or drag and drop page builder. I will choose Elementor. Then after that, we already installed the plugin. Install theme ASTRA. So we'll choose this template. We will find this template. Select free. Then find the template here. So we can import the home only, or we can import the complete site. Home, about, program, success stories, blog, contact. So we will import the complete site. Import. So the import is complete. So we can view our site. So our site is already done, already complete. So we have our homepage. We have our about us. We have our programs, success stories, blog, and contact. Then we can edit and launch the website. So it's easy to edit on the Elementor. Or you can add your logo. So the logo, we will change the logo here. Here, site identity, logo. So change logo, and you can change also the favicon, like this favicon here, logo here, and you can edit the website. So it's easy to edit the website. You can add also your new menu. If you go to the menus in this portion here, so you can change, you can add, you can put custom links, or you can edit the site. So you can edit the site easily by Elementor. So you can edit this name. You can edit it here. Here also, just click the spin icon. You can change the color you want, or you can change the background. This is the background. You can add the background. Or you can go to pre-image from Pixabay. Or you can upload, and many more. So thank you so much for viewing this beautiful tutorial. You can also subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos, or you can buy also to my affiliate links below. I have affiliate links for ASTRA and ELEMENTOR. So thank you so much. I will launch more beautiful websites soon, and subscribe always to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.